behind us.
When she was that so hard to do, she was and just watched it and we were like crying.
I could have gone bad. She's like,
because they just don't like you can't show.
The Giants, Houston now.
don't pick it, you get up, please.
Patrick is, they're not even out.
They're talking about sports. Jesus, I thought it was something good. Hey, go Bears!
Say that whole order.
Well, Zoo's from Boston, so he's a Patriots fan. Of course. I thought they were talking about something important. Talking about sports.
I'm sorry, guys. I've been watching football all day, and I'm really pissed off right now.
Hey,
I'm so mad.
hey, I'm from Chicago,
done.
so I'm from Chicago, okay? I know how you feel.
Yeah, you guys got Caleb, and I have
Yeah,
no
and
idea
we
what's
also
going
just
on.
lost to his team, who's the worst team in the NFL.
My defense looked good today.
Yeah,
did.
our offense was stellar.
No, seriously, it's just, this season is ridiculous. I'm done with it. But, there is some hope, but I have my opinions. Yeah, let's talk through it too, so I can print out new sets, let's make sure I got it covered. I got it going. Bait for us. No, hold on a second, I got it. Well,
Frank said no.
He's in
okay, I like that.
That's interesting.
Make some noise if you were here for yesterday's Soundcheck party. So we have some newcomers, huh?
Yeah.
All right, well, welcome. Tonight we are going to celebrate, and we're going to also check our instruments right now and make sure everything's running properly. So just give us 1 second. It's so funny, it sounds louder here, but once everything starts playing, it goes down.
That's fine. 80s movie. It's okay. telling you, we're like, after football goes really bad, you know, we're like,
We
this is
have
what happens.
Bucky.
So, no, seriously though, let's do ZZ. Just as a mental reminder though for tonight though, so I just want to make sure I know. So after, just want you to know, blow your mind. ZZ. Okay. Oh, you know. There we go. Bro, you know what I just realized? Those are the same freaking chords as Larger Than Life.
She's like, yeah. Duh.
ZZ Top. Are you kidding me?
It's minor.
I mean, I know you're getting really.
Play the power chord. Don't play a third.
Yeah, but I thought that ZZ Top is like that minor.
Well, it's blues.
Are you saying play the actual for Larger Than Life is? No, see?
It's minor.
Yeah, it's the same chord. It's the same chord. So what we're saying is that the ZZ Top chords are the same as Larger Than Life. It's musicology. I don't know if you understand what that means. So it's like, just to give you an idea. So it's like, all you people, can't you see how your love's affecting our reality? Clean shirt, new shoes. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's the same chords.
Yeah, do a mashup.
Isn't that crazy? No wonder I love the song so much. Wow. Okay, let's play it then. So like I'm saying, so we go, just want you to know, then we do, blow your mind. Oh, okay, so want you to know, sharp just man, blow your mind. Okay, so I can put on my shades, basically. Okay, I gotcha. This black shades, white gloves. Ah, that makes sense now. right, so I'm gonna open up the floor for some questions. You guys have any questions out there? Anybody? Yes.
Told me to remind you today to say faithfully.
What is it?
Yesterday, you said to remind you about past.
I'm so sorry.
Faithfully?
Oh, faithfully. Oh gosh. Yeah, look, okay. Zoo, can you play a little faithfully? Wait, that's I need you tonight. You don't need to be in it. It's just actually, yeah, we'll do like feel it out, man. Whatever you want. How we run into the midnight sun. Wheels go round and round on my mind. Desperate hearts keep alone tonight. Spinning all our love the wire. They say that the road ain't no place to start a family. Right down the line, it's me, you and me. The love and the music made it always what it's supposed to be. Oh, girl, if you're scared by me, I'm forever yours, faithfully. Resolve. There you go, that's just for you. She requested it yesterday, and I felt bad if I didn't do it. All right, any other questions? Yes. Wait a minute, so that was in Carolina, right? No, I know, you gotta hear this. Do you know the story? You want the story? Okay, so literally, like, I was like, I forgot exactly where it was, but I was just in town. I'm like, listen, I need to go get some food, you know what I mean? And then they were like, this is the only place that's open, you know, and all they were doing was like R&B night, you know, and so I was like, I'm gonna get in real quick, and so I put my hat on. And I put my hat on, and I was like, I just stood up, and nobody recognized me. Nobody knew it was me. What's that? They did, actually. I should have stopped at D'Angelo. I think I did Michael Jackson, Don't Stop Till You Get Enough. And then I was like, okay, I didn't really do that one justice. But it was so much fun. I had so much fun. I love doing stuff like that. Like every now and then just going and, you know, kind of, because it's about, you know, loving the music and like, you know, just seeing like the people and like the experience and everything. It was just so awesome just to be there. It kind of brought me back to like the old times when we first started, and like the influences that we loved were a lot of the R&B artists, you know, so that was great. Yeah, I can't believe you knew that, so that was great. I want some of your bright sugar. That was the freaking song back then. That was the song. Okay. Anybody else? Yes. The best part of everybody, Al. Which one? Well, to answer the question, so I sing that part. And I'm singing everything in this song, so I don't need to sing it, right? No.
I like the extended version.
I know. No, I appreciate that. No, I have no idea why we didn't do that. I mean, I think it really just kind of does, it's, what it's supposed to do during the show, so, I mean, it makes a lot of sense. You could go to a Backstreet Boys show and see that. Yes. So you're asking, like, recording my album,
Was it the process different this time with everything happening?
with everything I'm going through? Yes, because this is real life. This is stuff that I'm real. So I'm trying to insert everything that I can now in this place in my life into that music. So the two of the songs that we're gonna record in the next couple of days, those songs have serious story and content and meaning in them, and so I think it's important, it's just for, it's a way for me to, it's therapeutic for me, you know what I mean? And I'm using music as my therapy.
Sorry I got here late.
That's okay, no worries. Anybody else? Yes? MTV and VH1, I can't choose either or. First of all, they don't exist anymore. Well, then why are you asking me? You already know the answer. Yeah, because I'm different. I like it. VH1 was what I liked. No, I felt like VH1 was for a little bit of, they still held on to a lot of the older music that I really loved, so they weren't as progressive, which wasn't bad. It just that I kind of, I don't know, I felt like there was a little more integrity in VH1, so I don't know. Yes. Well, first of all, the fact that you can recognize that, you girls are really in touch with music. So, yeah, I actually, no disrespect to Kevin, but I actually have, say this, I don't want to say this in a way that makes it sound bad. I have the most versatile voice in the group. So I can do really low, or I can do really high, I have a very, so I would almost be a true baritone or a bass, and so yeah, I probably did that on the album, and he can't. Yes.
It's a silly question, but is there anyone that you are starstruck over still, even though you've been in the business so long?
So anybody that I'm starstruck over, because I've been in the business so long. Well, honestly, it's nobody musically. It's no one musically. It's more directors now, in films. If I was to meet John Carpenter, I'd probably lose my mind because I love, you know what it is? It's nothing against the musician. It's the mind of the people who can actually write a story. Now, if you can be a musician who can kind of do the same thing and put it in a song, then you're pretty much a director of what you're doing. And that's kind of what I've been learning as I've been going. So most directors of films, I'm really a big fan of, because they're able to put that in an hour and a half, 2 hour film. So something like that. All right, listen, so we're gonna go take some pictures, okay? And we're gonna have fun tonight. You ready? Let's go! All right, I'll see you in a little bit.